Hey, welcome to Think Creative TV. I'm Matt Pullen, and this is our place to share all about how to use your iPad creatively in your classrooms. If you enjoy these videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and then you'll be kept up to date on everything that we release. Now let's get stuck into today's video. So this is a really quick tip if you just want to get a little bit organized, especially if you're thinking of creating folders full of multiple things all on your iPad. So let's get started. Let's imagine that I want to create a folder within my iCloud Drive. I tap on Create Folder, and I want some things that are just going to be sharing ideas that I might want to share with a colleague, etc. So I created that folder. I'm just going to open that folder. That folder's blank. Now, I could add things in and go through. There's a really quick way to do this. So what I'm going to do is go into Photos first. And let's say that these are some of the things I want to grab. I tap and hold so it moves around. And then we tap on just the other things that you might want to share. Pictures, videos, whatever it is you want to share. I'm then going to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You'll see I still have hold of those. I'm going to go into Keynote. And then I'm going to open up, or not open up, I'm just going to take some of those Keynote frames that I've got. Again, tap on them. Oops. Tap on them with the second finger, drag it so that I've got hold of it. And then I'm just going to tap multiple of those. I'm now kind of like a magician dragging lots of things around on the screen. I'm then going to go to Files, and I'm going to drop those images on. And you'll see they quickly load in. And then I'm going to drop my Keynote slides in. And again, they're going to just gradually, transport into this new folder. So then what I end up with is this collection within a folder of images, videos, Keynote slides, could be pages, documents, could be anything, all in one place. And then when they're all in one place, I have the option to share that with other people, to add other people into it. So I can have all of that content in one place, shared to friends, colleagues, relatives, or students.